Are you tired of firefighting constant outages and missing critical deadlines? It's time to move from chaos to control. Welcome to From Survival to IT Excellence, the complete guide to transforming your team into a high-performance powerhouse. In this course, we're tearing down silos and showing you how to balance world-class technical craft with seamless operational efficiency. You'll master everything from safer, boring deployments and DevSecOps to navigating high-pressure stakeholders and technical debt. Whether you're managing 8 specialists or an entire department, these proven strategies will help you boost quality, reduce costs, and lead with confidence. Don't just survive the week, let's start your journey to excellence right now. In the high-stakes world of IT, just surviving isn't enough. Many managers feel the heat of missed deadlines and constant bugs, often blaming the team when the real culprit is a lack of structure. True transformation starts by balancing 2 critical pillars: excellence and operational excellence. Think of IT excellence as the quality of your craft, clean code, and ironclad security. Operational excellence is your engine, the workflows that prevent burnout and mitigate risk. When these two align, they create a virtuous cycle. Better technical builds lead to fewer fires, giving your team the space to innovate, reduce costs, and thrive. Building a culture of IT excellence requires more than just mandates. It requires strategic habits and the right tools. To raise the bar on code, managers must enforce consistent coding standards for naming and formatting. Ensure every piece of code undergoes a collaborative peer review, and utilize automated analysis tools. Think of testing as your safety net, structured like a pyramid: foundation unit tests, followed by integration, and finally end-to-end user simulations. Lastly, stay on top of technical debt. Treat refactoring as a regular product task, and use architecture boards to vet new designs, preventing future complications before they start. Going live shouldn't be a gamble. Professional IT managers avoid big bang releases, opting instead for a safety-first approach. By using phased rollouts or canary releases, you can test new code on a tiny fraction of users before a full launch. Feature toggles act as your emergency kill switch, letting you disable broken parts instantly. But safety isn't just about the launch. It's about observability. Real-time dashboards and automated alerts ensure you catch issues early, while clear runbooks prevent midnight panic. By tracking industry metrics like recovery and response times, you transform high-risk chaos into a controlled, boring, and successful deployment process. Modern IT management requires tearing down the walls between those who build the product and those who secure and run it. The DevOps and DevSecOps paradigms foster a collaborative culture where security and operations are integrated at the very start of a project, checking for bugs and vulnerabilities from day one, not the final week. We also utilize the away team model to keep projects moving. When another department is too busy to support us, our engineers are granted permission to write code directly into their systems, based on formal agreements regarding code standards and service levels. Finally, we must ensure excellence includes accessibility, designing for vision, motor, and hearing impairments, because a high-quality product is one everyone can use. Judging how a team works is never easy, especially when faced with the need for speed. When leadership pushes for deadlines that compromise quality, use transparency to explain the trade-offs, like how launching today might spike outage risks tomorrow. Instead of fixing everything at once, focus on low-hanging fruit and use the 5 whys to solve root problems without playing the blame game. Since you can't be everywhere, appoint an operational excellence ambassador to keep improvements on track. True excellence isn't a checkbox, it's a mindset that moves you from reactive firefighting to proactive innovation. Start with one small improvement today to begin your journey. We explored the 2 pillars of IT: the quality of the craft and the efficiency of the delivery engine. We learned to elevate code through peer reviews and testing pyramids, while using architecture boards to crush technical debt. We traded high-risk releases for a safety-first approach with phased deployments and real-time monitoring. By shifting left with DevSecOps and using the away team model, we broke through silos and blockers. Finally, we saw that true excellence means prioritizing accessibility and navigating resistance with transparency. We've moved from firefighting to innovation, starting a continuous journey towards sustainable success.